How are we doing, folks? James Barr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this BMW 5 Series 520D SE. It comes in this gold metallic finish with the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the silver trim alongside the windows with the shark fin antenna on top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the twin exhausts, the automatic trunk, the LED rear tail lights, and the rear parking sensors. Now let's take a quick look at the interior. Now, folks, that we're inside, you can see the fully digital cockpit fitted with the sports mode, comfort mode, and Eco Pro mode. Multifunctional paddle shifts, sport paddle shift steering wheel. The BMW teleservice with the iDrive system, automatic transmission, 360-degree parking sensors. The interior comes in a bronze Dakota leather with a platinum trim finish. Heated seats, keyless push button start ignition, fully automatic front and rear lights, fully electric windows. The BMW SOS service call, Bluetooth connection, high beam assist, the DAV tuner, air conditioning, active pedestrian safety system, active guard, and many other extras. Now that was just a quick look around this 2017 BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. If you have any questions about this car, please feel free to visit us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.